Built in 1933, this Hannaford & Son Classic is being brought back to life by Structural Systems Repair Group. SSRG is restoring the facade, all 68,000 square feet of it, through an initial clean, final clean, 100% tuck pointing of all the stone joints, patching throughout, and then finally a consolidation to help densify the surface to hopefully let this gem shine for decades to come.
It's been one of the most technical jobs I've been a part of. We have to figure out a way to keep the people under us safe because it is an active post office as we set 800 to 1,000 pound stones.
I'm very proud to be a part of this project here with SSRG. This job's been going very smooth. We've had a lot of complex things that we had to work out. These guys helped work through it and do everything safely and quickly.
I would say this job more than any is what SSRG is about. Extremely complex, technical, lots of stuff to figure out, and I think we're one of the few that can do it. Here at the post office, I feel we have 14 of the most experienced teammates in the masonry division. I cannot thank these 14 guys enough. Thank you. It's been a true honor to work with every one of you out here.